explaining you the concept of MyEwity. So MyEwity helps in digitizing your customer relationships through various methods. Firstly, your customers will be able to view their outstanding balance and bills. They will also be able to pay their bills by uploading their transfer receipts. And for Ewity Loyalty users, customers can easily track their loyalty points. And all the customers can access to digital copies of their bill as well. And furthermore, MyEwity is also integrated with Ewity Online Payments, allowing you to see all the transfer receipts in one place, and you will be able to approve or reject them. And once it's approved, the receipt is linked to the bill automatically. And this helps you with record keeping, no more scrolling through Viber or any other online platforms to search for the receipts. So MyEwity is enabled by default, but if you wish to disable it, you can quickly navigate to admin from side menu and select settings and choose MyEwity and select no disable and scroll down and update settings. And that sums up the concept of MyEwity, making your customers' interactions easier and better. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.